Most people trying to get rid of age spots are actually making them darker. Not because they're using the wrong ingredient, because they're using the right ingredient the wrong way. And if you've already tried lemon on your skin and felt that burning sensation, or noticed your spots came back even darker, this video is exactly what you need to watch right now. Stay with me, because in the next 2 minutes I'm going to show you the one simple mistake that ruins everything, and exactly how to fix it. They're just small areas where your skin produced too much melanin. That's the pigment that gives your skin its color. Sun exposure, aging, hormonal changes, all of that can trigger your skin to overproduce melanin in certain spots. The result? Those flat brownish patches that show up on your hands, face, shoulders, anywhere the sun hits. They're incredibly common, and they're incredibly frustrating, because no matter what you try, they seem to just stay there. But citric acid also makes your skin extremely sensitive to sunlight, like dangerously sensitive. So if you apply lemon and then step into the sun, your skin doesn't fade, it darkens. Sometimes worse than before, sometimes permanently. That's not a miracle cure gone wrong. That's just chemistry, and nobody warns you about it. I want to know how many of us have made this exact mistake without even knowing it. It's what makes the difference between fading your spots and irritating your skin. Your skin needs that hydration after the acid. Use it 3 times per week maximum, not every day. Your skin needs rest between applications. Apply a tiny amount of the diluted mixture to the inside of your wrist. Wait 24 hours. If there's no redness, no itching, no irritation, then your skin is likely okay to continue. If you feel any burning during the 10 minutes on your face, rinse it off immediately. Don't push through it. Burning is not the same as working. And I'll say this again because it matters that much. No lemon on your skin in the morning. No lemon before sun exposure. Ever. Even with sunscreen on, the sensitivity lemon creates in your skin is real and it lingers. Morning sun, afternoon sun, it doesn't matter. Night application only. If you're pregnant, on medication for your skin, or already using retinol or any exfoliating acids in your routine, talk to a dermatologist before adding this. Mixing acids without knowing what you're doing can seriously damage your skin barrier. I'm not trying to scare you away from trying this. I just refuse to give you advice without giving you the full picture. We're talking weeks, sometimes a couple of months for more stubborn spots. Some spots will respond well. Some won't move much at all, especially older, deeper spots that have been there for years. And that's okay. That's honest. That's real skincare. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is slow, safe, visible progress, without damaging your skin in the process. If you stay consistent with the method I showed you, protect your skin from the sun daily, keep your skin moisturized, and drink your water, you will likely see a difference. Not a miracle, a difference. And sometimes a difference is everything. Hands, face, shoulders. I read every comment and I want to know what's frustrating you most so I can make more videos that actually help. And if you want to keep going, the video showing on your screen right now covers another simple home remedy that works really well alongside this lemon method. Watch that next. You'll want to see it. Take care of your skin. It's the only one you've got.